Welcome. We'd like to introduce you to the Black Business Supplier Development Program, also known as the BBSDP, an initiative of the Department of Trade and Industry. This program is one of the Department of Trade and Industry's initiatives or interventions to assist predominantly black-owned companies to grow and to participate meaningfully in the economy, in the mainstream economy. The program itself contains a grant wherein the DTI can assist companies to buy equipment by paying 50% towards the cost of that equipment or the machine or the tool that a business would be wanting to buy. And this is a grant, it's non-repayable. Our company, Nakiseni Business Enterprises, has been appointed by the DTI to be a facilitator of this program, to assist qualifying companies to access this grant, to assist them with the application process, and to also increase awareness of this program so that as many companies as possible, as many emerging black-owned companies as possible can qualify for this grant. The BBSDP that Nakiseni Business Enterprises has been appointed to facilitate, as I said, it contains a grant wherein black-owned companies can be able to own operational equipment that they use in their businesses, and will also have an opportunity to introduce technology into their businesses, or even capacitate themselves by going on short course training programs, or as managers going on management training programs. The criteria in order to qualify for this program, companies must meet
the attributes for successful construction companies. These attributes apply across the board to all companies. The first attribute is customer satisfaction. This talks about the quality of the product and services that the company delivers to its clientele. The second attribute is people satisfaction. This talks about employee satisfaction in particular. There is a saying that says a satisfied employee produces better results. The third attribute is value creation for shareholders. Companies exist to make money and then to create value for its shareholders and other stakeholders. And now the fourth attribute is sustainability. Companies do not exist for today only, they need to exist forever. And by so doing, they need to identify a niche market wherein they would operate and solve major societal challenges. In so doing, then they will be sustainable. And the last one is social development. Successful companies plow back to the communities where they come from. And all these five attributes have been seen in major companies that are successful around the world. And we would like to encourage our emerging contractors to also learn from this.
The grant is meant for businesses across various sectors. So literally from your construction, from construction to entertainment, manufacturing, all sectors of industry, as long as there is equipment, there's machinery, or there are tools that are used, the businesses can be able to apply for this grant. The main beneficiaries of the program has been the companies in the construction sector, simply because the equipment is very expensive, so the grant has provided financial relief in terms of those companies acquiring those assets. And that is a very serious investment also, because as a contractor, part of the grading or the recognition also comes from the asset list that a company has.
The BBSDP that so many business institutions are benefiting from as we speak is a chance of a lifetime for all the business institutions who recognize the fact that it is important to grow the capacity of business to deliver, who recognize the fact that it is important for black businesses to own assets so that they can deliver without permanently relying on hiring from other institutions. We as a business enterprise, we as Nakiseni Business Enterprise are beneficiaries of this program. And the fact that now we are facilitators for other business institutions to benefit is just a very interesting coincidence. We are indeed proud to be associated with this program.
We started knowing about the BBSDP program via our consultant, and then they introduced us to Nakiseni facilitators, and then they did all the application with us, and then the process was very simple and straightforward. And then we bought the TLB via BB Auto Group, and then the application and the delivery of the TLB was so smooth. They didn't give us any hazards or any problems.
It's a very exciting program because it has got a very big impact with the growth of the company, especially for the plant. It makes your life easy. It makes you to be productive, to have your own machinery. It's a very exciting program. I really appreciate Hori. The department is doing something about this, and everybody should also follow, and we have to do mouth-to-mouth marketing and tell everybody about the program because it's very exciting and helping all the black business people.
We first heard about that program from Nakiseni. So we managed to secure two products, which are the plotter, which we basically use it for our engineering design, where we're doing some road, water services programs, and all roads and other water-related projects. We also secured the machine called resistivity meter.
Since its inception, the BBSDP criteria has always been relaxed. The DTI contribution has also been increased to accommodate other businesses that couldn't afford the machinery. To find out more about this program, visit our website www.nakiseni.co.za or visit the DTI website, which is www.dti.gov.za.